Okay, so my friend Gabe saw my last video and he told me that he wants me to procure a bike for him, source a bike for him. And I'm gonna go buy it for him once I find one. And I think I just found the most quintessential good buy. And it's a DR650 that's being sold by a guy named Bart.
Hello?
Hey, is this Bart?
Yep.
Hey Bart, this is Emmett. I'm calling about the DR650 that you have on Marketplace.
Basically, I bought it in a DRZ 400 even.
Okay, yeah.
And the DRZ 400 was a little bit too much of a dirt bike for me. The seat was real skinny and stuff.
Uh-huh.
So I thought I'd just sell it. I'll keep the DR, but now I'm not even riding it.
Yeah, we want to do maybe like a Baja trip or a California BDR trip maybe this summer. So they're good bikes and you can kind of like make them good for whatever you want them for. So
Exactly. Yeah, well, I was a high-performance boat mechanic, and everything we had to do, we had to make it look nice, too. So
okay.
I just kind of do that when I get them.
Totally. Yeah. So has it been sitting for a while or have you been riding it at all in the past year?
I haven't ridden it probably in a couple of months, but I've been starting it up.
Okay, yeah. So it starts right up.
Yeah.
Sweet. Do you have anyone coming to look at it today? I don't think I could get out to you until like tomorrow around 2 p.m.
That'll be fine. I got a couple other guys, but I'm putting them on hold because you're the one that sounds most. You know how you get these guys
yes.
that say that, you know, you're the one that actually wants to talk about it. Okie dokie.
Cool. Awesome. I appreciate you talking on the phone. Yep. See ya.
All right. Bye.
Bye. What's up, guys? We just pulled up to the guy's place. He's got an absolutely sick El Camino parked outside, which is a pretty good sign. Dude's got taste, so I'm gonna do this deal and let you guys know how it goes. Just made a deal. Bike absolutely rips. Took it around the block a bunch, super fun, and it has no issues. So I was able to get him to knock $100 off. It was already a good deal, but doing the paperwork now. Let's get it. There it is, folks. Fresh old DR650. Glistening. Gotta love it. Yo.
Did you get it?
Bro, the bike is secured. All right. Just talked to Gabe, unloaded the bike. Now it's time to break it in. First ride ever during ownership. buddy. This thing is sick. Got the bike in the back. Recording on my phone now because the GoPro just died. But that's a wrap, folks. Got the bike. Everything's pretty good with it. Only one small issue is the speedometer's not working, so I'm gonna try to fix that when I get home. But everything went really well. It was a super pleasant experience going to meet this guy. We talked for a bit just about bikes and about life. And it was honestly one of the most smooth transactions that I've ever done. So it's been a pretty good day overall. And Gabe was hyped. We FaceTimed. I showed him some of the horses next to my ride, and I'm excited to see him and see him on this bike. Honestly, he still has to learn how to ride, so we'll see how that goes. But moral of the story is, when you've been ruminating on something for a long time and you know it's the right thing, pull the trigger, make it happen. Be spontaneous. But that's a wrap, folks. Check out that DR in the back, looking pretty good. All right. Deuces.